Alright guys, so I just got this toothbrush, electric, and I got it from my dentist. This is the 8000 series. Let's see. What they got here. Comes in this bag, and there's a few things in it. Got the toothpaste, mouthwash, brush, and what are these? This is the charger. And then toothbrush. This thing is like a rubber plastic right here. You can switch what you want to do here, and it has Bluetooth. Let's see. Has some $3 off. Oh, this is for the phone. Dang, this is for the phone. I didn't even know that. To install the app, and you can see how much you're brushing, I guess. Let's see what else is there. The booklet, and got 3 of these. Then a case for traveling, and the actual charger. So this is what the case looks like, and I'll give you guys an update what I think about it after brushing with it. So stay in touch and click like, share, and subscribe. Let me know if you have the same toothbrush or if you have Sonicare.